The fourth aspect of Jivan Mukht relates to service. So see, all these aspects I'm giving you today are aspects to obtain in order to have Jivan Mukht. So these are the qualities of Jivan Mukht, and they're very practical. The last one, the fourth one, it's not the last one, it's the fourth one, is that what legacy do you want to leave? What service are you doing, have you done in your life? And that's our legacy. And it's not just what you do, it's how you do it. My grandmother was one of the first people. Well, she was the first woman in our family to own property, because in her time she couldn't own property. She had a business. Women weren't supposed to have businesses in those days. So what she accomplished in her life was pretty extraordinary, but it was how she did it. It was the kindness that she was known for. She was known for being a businesswoman, but it was her kindness that was her legacy that was so remarkable. So, you know, you can accomplish, quote unquote, accomplish a lot of things, but it's how you do it. Who do you hurt along the way, or who do you elevate along the way? And that's our legacy. That's our seva. It's your mission in life. What is your passion? What makes you so happy and so fulfilled that you can't not do it? And if you don't do it, then you create the hell in life. Here we go back again, heaven and hell in life. So now lots of people think of doing service as being charity. No, that's not what I'm talking about. Charity, when you do charity, there's a higher and a lower. There's the person that's doing the charity, and there's the person that's getting the charity. The person that's doing the charity is higher, right? The person that's getting the charity is looked upon as being, oh, that poor person, I'm doing them a favor. It's not seva. Seva is when it's a blessing. You consider it to be a blessing to be doing that service. You could be doing the same thing. You could be serving meals for the homeless, but it's the attitude in which you're doing it. Is your attitude, these poor people, I'm doing them a favor? Or is the attitude of, I'm so grateful, I'm so blessed to be able to be serving in this way, and I'm learning from these people. They are teaching me lessons by being in relationship to them. They are giving something to me, not just me giving something to them. That's seva. Seva is also, like I said, your mission. What's your passion in life? And if you don't do your passion in life, then that's how we create hell. That's how we say no to life, isn't it? So that's something for all of us to be thinking about. When you do your legacy, when you do your mission in life, things flow a lot better. It's when we are not doing our mission, then things are more of a struggle. So the person that asked me the question, I guess one of the questions I would say to you is, are you living your mission? Are you fulfilled?